Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features the unboxing of the Reebot Robotics UniPod MT11. The UniPod MT11 is a fully upgraded mini quad-sensor AI gimbal compared to the first-generation model. It supports up to 8K RAW 48-megapixel photography and integrates a wide-angle camera, zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, and laser rangefinder, significantly enhancing perception and imaging capabilities. The UniPod MT11 adopts an industry-leading hybrid sensor solution, integrating a wide-angle camera, zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, and laser rangefinder for efficient collaboration. This gives drones a wide field of view while enabling high-clarity zoomed shots, thermal source detection and target distance measurement. Both the wide-angle and zoom cameras are equipped with 1/2-inch CMOS sensors with an effective resolution of 48 MP, supporting a maximum photo resolution of 8K and a maximum video resolution of 4K. The high-resolution infrared camera offers a resolution of 640,512 and supports AI super resolution to enhance image quality. The infrared camera supports up to 8 digital zoom and can link with the zoom camera for synchronized zoom, displaying two different views of the same scene to capture more details and provide valuable information quickly. The MT11 is equipped with a high-precision laser rangefinder with ±1 m accuracy and a measuring range of 1,200 meters. With built-in 10 TOPS AI computing power, the MT11 delivers faster and more accurate recognition without external AI modules. It supports multi-model switching for different object recognition tasks, including visible light, thermal imaging, insulators, and region selection. Once AI recognition is enabled, detected objects are marked with a white box. Tapping the box activates AI tracking, enabling real-time target tracking and capturing. The MT11 supports unlimited Y-axis rotation, making it suitable for multirotor drones, VTOL fixed-wing drones, unmanned ground vehicles, and robots. This feature compensates for the carrier's rotation limits, ensuring the lens always stays on target without frequent adjustments. The quick-release mount design allows for fast installation and removal without complex tools, reducing deployment time. It is also backward compatible with SAI ZT30 and ZR30 gimbals. The UniPod MT11 comes in a high-end explosion-proof carry case. The outer case is waterproof, dust-proof, and explosion-proof. Inside, high-density foam padding fully encloses the gimbal, effectively absorbing shocks and vibrations during transport, ensuring safe and worry-free outdoor operations. Package dimensions: L285W 238H 127 mm. Package weight: 1578 g. Let's take a look at what's inside the MT11 case. UniPod MT11 1. UniPod MT11 dimensions. Without damping quick-release mount, 102.5 128 mm. With damping quick-release mount, 141.5 141.5 169 mm. Weight. Without damping quick-release mount, 404 g. With damping quick-release mount, 531.5 g. Operating storage temperature: -20 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius. Imaging capability: 11 optical zoom, 165 hybrid zoom, 48 MP effective pixels. Protection rating: IP54. Operating voltage: 1026 V. Accessories included: UniPod MT11 damping quick-release mount plus expansion dock 1. Type-C male docking station interface definition. Gimbal UART port. Connect to the flight controller's TELEM port. After configuring the flight controller parameters, it can integrate flight controller data. Gimbal LAN port, connect to the air-end LAN port or directly to a computer. Gimbal S.bus input port, connect to the air-end S.bus port to configure remote controller channels and control the gimbal via the remote controller. Power port MX 1.254P to XT30 male plug with female housing, requires independent power supply. Input voltage, 1026V. The following image shows a comparison between the new quick release and the old quick release. How to connect the damping quick release mount. Locate the largest hole on the damping quick release mount. Press the side button to rotate the interface so that either of the two raised parts is aligned with the center of the largest notch. Align the MT11 with the direction of the damping quick release mount interface. Push it in, rotate to lock, and the installation is complete. UniPod MT11 RJ45 Adapter 1. UniPod MT11 Power Cable 1. UniPod MT11 Ethernet Cable 1. UniPod MT11 S.bus Y-split Cable 1. Ardupilot PX4 Flight Controller URT to Gimbal URT Cable 1. 3-pin N7 Flight Controller to Gimbal URT Cable 1. TM38 hex head machine screws 4. M1.65 round head screws 4. That's everything included in the Reebot Robotics UniPod MT11 package. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further technical support, feel free to contact us. If you're interested in the UniPod MT11 or other products, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.